just like the sound of it.
This is how you convert an MKV file to an MP4 file. To check what type of file you have, right-click on the file and click on Properties. When you click on Properties, you can see the type of file at the top. Here it is MKV. Now to convert it to MP4, you need to go to a website that is cloudconvert.com. The links will be in the description. Now you need to click on Select File and select your file. Once you click on Select File, you need to select what type of file you want to convert it to. So there are multiple options here. For the use of this video, we will use MP4. Now you have to click on Convert. It'll take a while, depending on how large your file is, to convert to MP4. Once it's done, a pop-up will come with a green button that says Download. Click on the download and it will be downloaded into your download section in the File Explorer. Now you need to check if the file is working, so let's check if it's working. As you can see, the file is working. But now we don't know yet if it has officially converted to an MP4 file. So to do that, you need to click on the file and right-click on it and click on Properties. Now you can see the type of file has changed to MP4. If you right-click on the first file that we clicked, it says MKV, so you can differentiate between the difference if it's converted or not.